Kawadhi nyime ni riwruog jopuonje mag mbalariany mong'ere kaka UASU koro dwaro mondo jatend migawo mar somo duol manano mibadhi EACC kaachiel kod apisi mar okwach kich okaw okang' mapiyo mar duoko e lwet jopiny omenda mawachore ni oyaki e mbalariany ma Nairobi. EACC dwaro ni jalup chancellor kaachiel kod jakom mar board mar mbalarianyno kaachiel kod jomoko 5 mondo ochop e nyimgi kendo chiw nendgi ewi tich marach mar omenda moyo milion 100 mar mbalariany ma Nairobi.
Is demanding an investigation into the cost center that has become the Amkoa Anangwe-led council and its attendant questionable, lavish expenses in a financially struggling institution. Such an investigation should be done with the express intention of recovering public funds irregularly spent by this council and also pointed out by the Auditor General.
Appeal to EACC to recover all this money is paid to the those occupants of illegal positions. And this has been done by cartels whose interest is to plunder and loot resources at the university. And we're very clear about this because we have seen it. Auditor General's report clearly states about land and other assets that have been sold or leased without following the law. And we want this matter to be concluded. We need a new council, and after which then we'll have, a government has to keep its eyes on the university